morning, everyone. Today we will have an interview with brothers. How are you, Mr. Wilbur and Orwell?
I'm fine, thank you.
Fine, thank you. Welcome, Wilbur and Orwell. Right. It's an honor to speak with you both. Can you tell us what inspired you to invent the airplane?
Our interest in flight began in childhood when our father gave us a flying toy. Later we studied bird and aerodynamics, determined to build a machine that could fly.
What was the biggest challenge you faced?
The hardest part was controlling the aircraft. Many inventors had tried to fly, but without proper control, the machines failed. We developed a three-axis control system, which became the foundation of modern aviation.
What advice do you have for future inventors?
Never stop learning, experimenting, and believing in your ideas. Hard work, perseverance can lead to incredible discoveries.
Thank you both. Your invention changed the world forever.
Thank you.